Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, until 5 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northeast of Fenimore to near Platteville to East Dubuque, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dodgeville, Mineral Point, Darlington, Shellsburg, Belmont, Benton, Highland, Linden, New Diggings, Cobb, Rui, Platte Mounds, Lead Mine, Governor Dodge St. Park, Edmond, Black Hawk Lake Rec Area, London, and Leslie. People attending County Fair at the Iowa County Fairgrounds should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the